This is the 6th video in a series of 10 tutorials on how to use the pen tool in Illustrator CC. In the last video, we learned how to use the Reflect tool and how to utilize Smart Guides. In this video, we'll learn how to use the Pathfinder. This series does go with the pen tool exercises to learn Illustrator tools unit at digitalartteacher.com. So if you are teaching graphic design, you can check out the info bar at the top for more teaching resources. At the end of the last video, we made sure that the anchor points at the top and bottom of our middle shape were exactly aligned together. And even though this looks like one shape, we know that it's not. So let's learn how to fix that. Select both lines with the black arrow, that's the selection tool, and find your Pathfinder. If you don't have it in the panel to the right, you can always find it under Window, Pathfinder. When you do this, it will probably show up as a floating panel. If you'd like to nest it in your panel's dock, click and drag on the top of this dialog box to the desired spot in your panel's dock until you see the blue horizontal line. Now, with these two lines selected, click on this first option, Unite. Now, these two lines have become one shape, and I can test this out by trying to move one of the lines. If the whole middle shape moves, then I know that it has been a success. If not, then I know that I need to undo a couple of times and double check to make sure that 1, I have lined up these 2 points in exactly the same place, or 2, that I actually do have both of these lines selected before I select Unite. To finish this outline, trace the last shape in either method that you prefer, either the old school method of creating the curves as you go, or by clicking and then adjusting once finished. This may be a good opportunity to use the Shift key because I know that I want this line to be horizontal. When you've got that, select all of your shapes all together and let's talk about how to make all of these shapes become one outline. You have a couple of options, and maybe you've already guessed one of them. Option 1 would be to go back to your Pathfinder and select Unite. Another option would be to try out the Shape Builder tool in your toolbar. With this tool, you can basically remove sections of a shape to unite it. Watch as I work here so you can see what I mean. You simply drag your mouse across the parts of the shape where you wish to remove, and that's it. I show you both of these methods because it is my goal here to show you how to work in Illustrator and choose for yourself which method works best for you or in any given situation. So for whichever method you choose, finish up the outline and be sure to turn off the image layer so that you can see exactly what your outline looks like. If you get to this point and notice that some of your lines look a little off, you can always go back and adjust them. Now, if you're interested in diving in even deeper into the pen tool and its capabilities, join me in the next video in this series as we explore creating a cartoon bee character. Hope to see you there!